Yo, I'm really proud of myself. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Yo. I got this wig from Amazon. I cut it, highlighted it, and styled it, and installed it myself. A scoop of that for now. I am using a 40 volume because I want to be quick with this. But I'm not gonna use it yet. I'm gonna section the hair, get everything ready to go. So I don't want highlights all over, but I do want it where it's in between a little bit. I always tease my hair. Some people don't, I do. For certain services. So the back, I'm gonna balayage it because I want it to be in between the hair. Like, oh, okay, it's all over, not just partial highlights or half highlights. And I also do my wigs, when I do color wigs, like I'm doing someone's head. What does it do? It helps the line demarcation. I don't like seeing lines, like black hair than color hair. I like to look like natural, like, okay, I see you. That's what you want. So all this piece here is going to be colored. I'm gonna fix it more in a little bit. It's gonna fall over the hair, so color, no color. But you still want to be able to have a space in between of darken. Hold on, let me get this piece out of the way because it like it's getting messy. Let me get all this piece first. Darkness, light, darkness, light. Just a good amount of hair. The back should be done by the time I work on the front. I'm gonna rinse the back out, and by the time I rinse out the back, hopefully, ideally, the front should be done. So this is about right for me. I like it. And then I'm gonna take my hand, because this is a long piece now, so I'm going to put it here. So let's check the back, guys. See how the back is looking. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Let's turn the head around. Okay, so I think that's good. First of all, girls, when your own hair is another type of thing. So you a beast. This is my first time doing this type of stuff on my hair myself. But other hairstyles I do myself, like braids for me. I think this is good. So this is the next morning. I'm getting ready for work, and I want you guys to see how it looks with the wand versus the curls. So let's see, because yesterday I didn't have my wand, because I pictured this look with wand curls. This part looks good though. It's very natural. Like you can't tell me this is a wig. So we'll see how this comes out. So far, I'm here for it. The big reveal. Oh, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and run my fingers through it. Yeah, so this is a close-up of how it looks. Look at this side, guys. Now, ignore that part because, you know, it's kind of a little ashy and dry, but besides that, I did a really good job for my first time. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is the look I wanted, y'all. Oh my goodness, I did such a good job for my first time. I'm so proud of myself. And it looks natural. You can't tell me this ain't come from my scalp. Oh, yay. This is like my favorite install. I think I did maybe 3 installs my whole entire life. And I think by far this would be my favorite. No filter so y'all can see, because sometimes I feel like people be hiding their lace and their install with a filter. You can't tell me that ain't my hair. Oh my God, I'm still shocked. Okay, so let me go to work. Later.